I get asked a lot about my eye makeup. I love to do my eyes. I love making them pop. And I'm gonna show you one of my favorite combinations of eyeshadows today from Mascara Beauty. So we have over 60 eyeshadows that are cream, matte, shimmer, and glitter. So I'm gonna show you a beautiful combination of 4 shimmer eyeshadows today that would look good, I promise you, on any color of eye at any age. So these 4 colors right here in this gorgeous square compact that you get free based on the purchases of the tins. And I'm gonna show you how easy and fast this eye look is today. So pretty. I love it for fall, but honestly, I love to do this color combination any time of the year. Check it out. The first thing you want to do is use a good eyeshadow primer. So this one's by NYX. I absolutely love it. I love to put it on my eyelids before I do my eye makeup. That way my colors are more pigmented, they last all day long, and they don't crease on your eyelid. So that's an important step you don't want to forget. I'm going to be starting off with the Eyeshadow Everything brush. I love this brush because it's double-ended, and so it's really easy to get everything done at once. So I'm going to start off with the fluffy end of the Eyeshadow Everything brush, and I'm going in this color right here. You Complete Me. It is a rose gold shimmer, and I'm going to keep my eyelid, my eye open and use a windshield wiper motion. Notice I started on the top with that color, and I want to get that color all the way up there. So it's a really pretty shimmer that looks good on anyone. So the purpose of keeping the eye open to get that color all the way up there is because if you notice, I have a hooded eye. So that means the top of my eyelid rests on the bottom. A lot of women have this. And so if you want to make sure that your eye makeup, you can actually see the colors that you have on there. You want to get that color all the way up there. And by keeping it open, you can see that crease, and then you can always bring it down a little bit. So that was the first color that I started off with, You Complete Me. It's probably my favorite eyeshadow, to be honest. I'm going to move in this darker color. This is another favorite of mine, Gilded. It's a brown metallic color, same brush, but I'm going to flip it to the smaller end and go into Gilded and focus on the outer corner of my eyes. So I'm just doing light stipple motions and really setting that darker color into the outer corners to create dimensions. This is going to keep your eyes, just give them a nice smoky appearance, and also elongate them and make them look bigger. So just let the smaller end of the Eyeshadow Everything brush do the work for you, and I'm going to bring that color Gilded just slightly down underneath my eye. Go into this color right here. It looks like a nice bronze shimmer. This is Bright Eyes. It's so pretty. I love to put Bright Eyes more on the center of my eyelid. Notice it's closed, and when you use the finger to apply your color, you're just going to really get that product on there really nicely. Something fun I like to do, a little extra, you can take Bright Eyes and even bring it down on the bottom. Again, just like I did with Gilded. I'm going to switch brushes, and I'm going to use this eyeshadow brush. This is called the Blend and Tap brush. It's a great brush for blending out your eye makeup. You can also do a couple other things with it, applying in other parts of your makeup, such as color correcting. So I'm going to use, obviously you can tell it's one of my favorites. This is Rome. It's a soft cream shimmer, flat end of the Blend and Tap, and I'm going to put Rome in the front and just create an ombre look from light to dark, and it's also going to just blend everything out and make it softer. I love how that just softens the eye look together. And if you notice, I focused that color Rome on the front crease of my eye. So just back and forth, and even in the front inner corners to lighten it up. You can even put a little bit along your brow bone. So I threw some eyeliner on and some mascara and lashes, and I'm ready to go. So that's that. That was simple. These 4 colors together, this is my favorite eyeshadow combination. I love these 4 colors of You Complete Me, Gilded, Bright Eyes, and Rome together. You can make it as simple as you want or as glam as you want. So shipping's always free, and I love, love, love our eyeshadow brushes. You can pick either or both of them like I used today, the Eyeshadow Everything brush or the blend and tap brush, and that's that. So if there's something I can help you with when it comes to your eyeshadow palette, whether that's picking colors that make your eyes pop or just really beautiful colors that go together, let me know. I'd be happy to help you. And don't forget, shipping is always free, and you get the compact free based on the amount of tins that you purchase.